First of all, how your brothers doing tonight?
Hey, what's going on, man? We over here. We this video. You know what it is, man.
Put this in, man. If you don't like it,
Same
you
New
do
York
it.
City, man. But we out here in Stockton right now. Where you representing, though, man?
I'm representing Stockton, understand?
Oh, okay, you know.
Look here, put this
Stockton,
in.
man. You hear what the man
If
said.
you put this tape in, you'll never regret it. Put it
See
in.
that? Oh, but wait, hold on. I gotta go way to the trunk to do that. So, damn. Almost
I
forgot,
two
people.
CDs you want to listen to.
What?
I got
Two-piece.
Two of them.
Hey, what's up with y'all fellas, man?
244.
Turn up, man. How fellas doing your own videotape, you know what I'm saying?
I just get high, man. You know,
Man, we just turn it up, networking. That's how we do. Came to the motherfucking G.
bitches before we
Because it
get out
ain't
of
the
the
reason, it's just a season.
Man,
It's a
That's
season.
man, it's my nigga.
My boy done came up. Y'all seen? He done came up with this shit, man.
Hey, what's good, though, bro?
It's pop.
If you put this in, understand that you'll never regret it.
Man, this nigga right. This nigga used to have some 20s, man. Huh?
I know.
Put it in, man. Put this tape in, man, please.
On my key, man.
Cut a cat.
Please put it in, man. Bro, this got 23. He got 23
That's what
songs
Black's
on
saying,
it.
man. 23? Oh, man. He want me to do too much. He want me to break him on Star Search right now. I can't do this, sorry.
Man, look at
You know?
He talk about serve everything
They
on
feel
here,
it though,
man.
man. What?
Just talk about serve everything. He got him. He done got him.
Yeah, niggas
He ain't got it
falling
yet.
out, man. He said, you know.
Nah, yeah.
Show him what you showed us the other night, OG. Show him that.
You got to put something in the hat.
Hey, don't bring your New York ass across the street like that. You run your New York ass across the street like that again, you almost tased the shit out of you. I almost tased the shit out of you, boy. If I show you that thing under the seat, you would damn near tase you.
Y'all was already told up.
Shut up, I'm telling them I'm waiting on you, nigga. What's up with the age? Nigga, all my real motherfuckers out here. You know. Oh man, yeah, just for a minute, we been just keep it moving. Oh, he going. He going. I told him it might look like who is that? Right. Me and my niggas, man, that's how we do it out here, man. You know what I'm saying? We just feeling real big and shit. That's all, man. Shit, man. Here you go, B. Get some motherfuckers, man. This nigga throwing up his shit. You see his feelings?
He said that, yeah, man.
Tell me my secret.
Oh, he the coldest cameraman in the world.
That's what my cousin was telling me.
This motherfucker ain't doing it.
Yeah, I see it. Yeah.
Man, I just said that I'm coming over here, nigga. I'm supposed to be on the plane. We getting real ratchet up in here, y'all.
I'm like, I'm cool.